Hi friends, welcome to Penhouse.in. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Oliver 81 Fancy Blue Color Fountain Pen. And here, this video is specifically taken to give you the clear insights on the pen because just with photos, you cannot fully understand about this. So here, this is a little matte finish looking blue color body and cap fountain pen which has a golden color clip. The clip resembling like a Parker's model and whole the pen is totally looking like a Parker's model, and in the body it is mentioned as Oliver, the brand's name, and the model number 81, and it is a black color cap top portion which has a round metal thing which is looking so good, and the cap handles this body with threading mechanism. You have to unscrew the cap to open, and this is number 5.5 nib which has a medium tip gold plated one, and you can swap the nibs as you like since we have number 5.5 nibs in many brands, especially in Canrite we are having in fine, medium, broad, and again with gold, dual tone and silver plated nibs, and also flex nibs can be swapped in this pen. And yeah, the choice is yours. For that you can go to our site, click pen spares, then go to nibs, and there you can use a filter and make a query on what you require. Now the measurements of this pen. The holding area's diameter is 8.7 mm, the body is 11 mm, and the length of this pen without cap is 117.7 mm. With cap it is 133.3 mm. And yeah, with this measurement you can get some idea about the pen's pouches and soft holders. If you keep this in a pouch and maintain it properly, the same aesthetic shininess will last forever. And the total weight is 17 grams. And since the holding diameter is a small one, this pen is more suitable for little fingers too, and also for the bigger still. And also all the threads are turned to own out, so please apply silicone grease or Vaseline whenever you're opening and closing the grip portion during the ink fill. And whenever you fill the ink, fill below the inner threads. If you fill in excess, the leakage path will create it and you will spoil your hands. And a good amount of ink will be filled up this portion. As the reservoir capacity is more, you can fill more than 3 ml of inks in this. And on pen maintenance, please wash the pens regularly, that is twice a month, because all the dye-based ink will precipitate on the longer usage, so it will block the ink's passage in the feeder. So you will get a scratchy writing and slowly the ink will dry quickly, and then you may have to shake for the ink flow to come out. The reason is the blockage in the feeder screw. So to clean the dirt and deposit in the feeder, you can easily remove the feeder and the nib unit separately by holding this together and twist and pull it out. After removing, you can flush the feeder with the help of any brush and clean it well with soap water. If you are soaking in soap water, then allow it for an hour and brush and clean. And in some ink bottles itself, you can notice on every fill it is recommended to clean the pen with water. So it is clear. Unless otherwise we have a good cleaning and maintenance, the flow will be affected. And also few nibs need to be fine-tuned because during the manual assembly of nibs, the tines may stick together, so gently push the tines up and down, so it will create some space in between the tines and you will get a good flow and a smooth writing in turn after doing this. And make sure both the tines are parallel, if not you will get a scratchy writing. And whenever we dispatch the pen to a customer, we do this fine tuning and we will check before dispatch. This is our usual practice. Let me show you the writing sample of this pen. For today's writing, I am using our Penhouse Emerald Green ink. Oliver pens are highly recommended pen for the beginners, especially for children who are just started to write with fountain pens. They can prefer this pen. If they practice when writing this fountain pen, they will get a good handwriting in fountain pen writing. Yeah, the writing is so good and very smooth nib. If you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can make a call to a mobile number. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.